Hi. What's a beautiful girl like you doing standing all alone on a street like this? Hi. Listen, stop wasting your time. Because no taxi will stop for you while I'm parked in front of you. So it's either you come with me and get rid of me, or you enter the car, I'll take you to wherever it is that you're going to.
And what makes you so sure I would like to hitch a ride with you?
Girl, I'm a fine guy. Tall, with good color, you know, and a guy that knows how to treat a woman. So, I'll be fine, right? So I don't see anything that will stop you from accepting my offer.
You'd rather have a high opinion of yourself.
Why not? If I don't, who else will? Listen, if you don't blow your trumpet, nobody will do that for you.
It's like you're a veteran in picking up girls.
Not so. I do it only when it's necessary, and I think this is the necessary time to do it, because if I don't pick you up, and that guy would. Listen, the last thing I will do is to allow somebody that is not deserving of you to come anywhere close to you. You are too beautiful.
Oh yeah? I bet you tell every girl you meet that.
Not so, baby. You inspire poetry, you know. But you will hear more if you give me the singular honor of having a ride with me.
All right, if you insist.
Absolutely. After you.
Sister, any problem?
No problem, Pastor.
All right.
Pastor, bless you, Pastor. I had a wonderful time in the presence of the Lord.
That's great.
Yes.
Meet tomorrow.
All right, Pastor. Tomorrow, Pastor. Okay.
You didn't tell me you were moving. I thought we were supposed to walk home together.
I felt you wanted to see me, Pastor. I have to hurry home. I'm in charge of preparing lunch.
And I still say you do not have to be. If only you will allow me, I will help you.
You will not.
Why?
Cody, listen. You're special to me. Very, very special. And I can't allow you come anywhere near the house.
You do not make sense.
Okay. Listen. I have a dream about my future. And you're part of that dream. And your coming to the house might spoil the dream. My brother has no fear of God in him. He has no respect for women. He might do something that you and I will not live down. Do you understand? I am trying to keep you away from all that. Do you understand?
You're funny. What can your brother do?
Forget it, okay? Let's go home.
Stop it. Stop it. You're a very funny guy, you know.
Oh, baby, come back here. Let me show you how funny I can be if I try.
Not on your life. You think I don't know what is in your mind?
Tell me, what is on my mind?
Whatever it's on your mind, you are not going to get anything from me. At least not the first day we've met.
Aha, that means there is hope that I will eventually get it. Don't worry, baby. The vulture is a patient bird. Now, come back here. Come on, come. Yeah, that's my girl.
Good evening, brother.
So, we no longer knock before we barge into this house. Hmm?
I'm sorry. I didn't know you were with someone. Besides, the door was open.
This is the time you're coming back from the shop.
Actually, I went to fellowship. We just finished.
While you were at that your stupid fellowship, it never occurred to you that there is no food in this house, that if I come back, I will be hungry.
I'm sorry. I'm back now, so let me go and start preparing the food.
As you're preparing that your stupid food, remember that I have a guest. She's very hungry.
Okay. Sorry. Sorry, madam.
Who is he?
Don't mind this stupid boy. Somebody's trying to make something good out of his useless life. All he does is to steal my money and make me angry almost every time. Can you imagine that talk of fellowship? He went to fellowship while he knows that there is no food in this house. Maybe if I hadn't opened that business that he's squandering the money now, maybe it would have been the pages of the Bible that would have been cooking for us here in this house. Rubbish.
It's okay. It's okay. Look at me.
Baby, we're talking about how to convince you to spend the night, right?
Does it occur to you that I'm the type of girl you pick along the way and I will accept to spend the night with you?
Ah. So, if you will not accept to sleep with me, what are you doing in my house then? Listen, baby, I'm going to make your dreams come true. I'll give you whatever you want. Just name your price.
And what do you think I want?
Whatever. Anything you want, you say it, I'll pay.
Let's see. Samsung free eye camera phone.
Bargain.
You're not serious.
I am.
God. Vulture. Come on, let me show you so many things you've not experienced in your life.
Oh yeah. I am ready to be. My friend, get up. So this is how we are going to work and make something good out of our lives, right? Isn't it?
Good morning, brother.
What is good about this money? Huh? Can I have the money you made from the shop yesterday?
The money.
Yes. Did I put water in my mouth when I talked to you? Will you give me the money, my friend?
But brother, you asked me to keep the money that you may have to restock the shop this weekend.
And I'm telling you now that I need it. Give me the money.
Brother, I hope you don't mind. If I may ask, what do you want to do with the money?
If I may ask you also, from whose shop was the money made from?
Your shop.
Good. So can I have the money right now?
Brother, you hear me out. You have to start thinking about the future. I mean, you can't continue wasting your money on women of easy virtue. If it is because of the girl you picked up last night that you are asking for the money.
Don't I will decimate you if I lay my hands on you this morning. If I decide to waste my money on women, did you make the money for me? Huh? Listen, my friend, will you give me that money before I descend on you now? What nonsense! How dare you? How much is it?
70,000 naira.
Just be careful. Be careful. Stupid boy.
You are the best. You don't just talk, you perform.
I try, baby. Try. So how much was the money you said you needed?
65,000 naira.
Small change. Well, this is 70,000 naira. Buy your phone. Take the 5,000 for your transport.
Thank you very much. You know, there are very few guys like you. Others would have thrown me out from their house this morning.
Girl, I'm a perfect gentleman. I am. So, when do I see you again?
When do you want to see me? Although I'll be heading for the village this morning to see my parents. But immediately I buy the phone, I'll call you.
All right, let's see. Buy the phone, call me. Let's see what we can arrange. That's my girl.
Good afternoon, Chief. Where is your brother?
Chief, he has not come in yet. I hope there's no problem.
He has not come in yet. Yes, Chief. There is no problem. When he does not see me in the next 2 hours, then you people will know whether there is a problem or not. Your brother owes me 50,000 naira. He promised to pay me last week. This is 5 days, 5 good days from the deadline we agreed on. Now listen, when he comes in, tell him to see me immediately, because if he doesn't, he will not like what I will do to him. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Do you understand me?
Chief, wait. We can work it out, Chief. What is all this? Eh? Why is he behaving this way?
friend, get out of my seat. No, get out of the place. Will I beg you again? Did you see Chief? He was looking for you.
How much money do you have in here?
He said you owe him 50,000 naira. And that you promised to give him the money last week. Eh, brother?
Listen, whoever I'm owing is strictly my business. I see no business of yours in this matter.
Brother, I am the one in this shop. I am the one who is making all the money that you're lavishing on things that are not important. If you had not given the money you collected from me this morning to whomever it was you brought home last night, you would have used it to pay Chief. Instead of scurrying around like a thief, running from the police.
Listen, one more word out of this your stinking mouth, you will regret that you call me brother. Did I open this shop for you? Who are you to tell me on how to run my affairs? Are you crazy? Have you gone out of your senses? Listen, if you are tired of staying in this shop, you better tell me so that I will look for someone else to replace you. Did you hear me?
You can shout all you want, but I'm not your servant. I am your brother. And if I don't tell you the truth, I will not be doing my job. Brother, calm down. Think about it. Do you think that God is happy with you? Don't you think that all this money you're wasting would have been enough to send to Papa and Mama? Brother, watch it. Watch it. You're gradually heading down the path of destruction.
God will help me punish you. Now, get out of my shop. Get out. Get out.
Fine. I will go if that's what you want. But it will not change the truth. When you come back to your senses, we will talk.
Hey, come here. Where are the keys to the drawer?
They are on the table. You can take all the money. Spend it the way you want. Like you said, it is your money.
Just get out. Look at this rascal.
Mama.
Manad, my son.
Mama.
You've come.
Mama.
Welcome.
Mama,
Eh?
you're looking so strong and well.
Are you people not the one keeping us? Eh? How is your brother?
Hey, thank you, Mama. He's fine. He's fine.
No problem.
Mama, can't I come to see you people when I want to? Eh?
You can, my son. Eh?
So, where is Papa?
He dashed out to see Owakwe. Eh? They have one standing committee meeting in the church.
Are you serious? Eh? I'm happy to hear that Papa is so involved in church activities now.
Your father?
Yes.
Ooh, if God decides on whom to make a wedding in heaven today, your father must be one of them.
Eh?
I hardly see him in the house. He hardly comes home. He's in the church every now and then. Anyway, I don't blame him.
Why?
If anybody should commit the atrocities that he committed when he was younger, that person must embrace God.
Mama. Well, Papa was not that bad.
Your father? Bad. He was terrible.
Mama.
He was terrible. Anyway, let's leave him to his God.
Yes.
Hey, you must be hungry. What do I make for you?
Mama, whatever you have, I'll eat now. Yeah, see, I bought bread for you.
Hey! Oh, okay. Go in.
Okay.
Go and change.
All right.
Take it in. Go and change.
All right.
Let me prepare something for you.
Okay, Mama.
Hey!
No, Mama.
My son.
He walked me out of the shop. Well, that's not my concern now.
If he doesn't want me in the shop anymore, I can always find something to do. But Papa,
What is bothering me is that we are making enough money from that shop. enough to take care of everybody in this house and still do whatever we want to do. But Papa, Ima is squandering all the money on women and fast living. Papa, if he doesn't slow down, I'm afraid, very soon, we will be thinking of how to bury him. Or worse, get him out of prison.
Bernard, it is not as serious as you make it sound, I'm sure.
It is worse, Papa. If it were not, I wouldn't have said anything. Okay, 2 days ago, Papa, I made 70,000 naira from the shop. The following morning, brother collected all the money from me and handed them over to a girl he picked up along the road who spent the night with him.
You are not serious. Imana picks women from the street?
When I said they should not leave for the city, did anybody hear me?
If you have no better contribution to make here, then keep your mouth shut and don't speak stupidities. Is it every man who has gone to the city that has gone mad? Huh? Who is their mother anyway? Bernard, Papa, when you go back to the city, tell Ima that I want him to come back home. No, don't tell him why I want him to come back home. Just tell him that I want him to come back for something important. Do you hear me? No son of mine will be a fool simply because he has seen some money. If he now thinks the world is a football field, then I will tell him that he will be needing a referee. Nonsense.
Yeah, who's that? Who is that? All right. Holy Moses.
Good morning.
Good morning. Well, if it's me that you have come to see, come in. If it's not me that you have come to see, still come right in. A beautiful girl like you should not be kept outdoors. Stepping in style, baby.
Thank you.
Well, baby, you're a sight for sore eyes. What can I do for you? My name is Emmanuel.
Oh, yes, I know. Ben has told me everything about you.
And I'm sure what he told you are not too good. But anyway, don't believe him. You see, my kid brother Ben, he still has some learnings to do when it comes to matters concerning the opposite sex.
He told me good things about you.
Wow. It's good to know that you are appreciated. So, what can I offer you? Sit down. What can I offer you?
Nothing. My pastor sent me to come and find out what's wrong with Ben. We didn't see him at fellowship yesterday.
Oh, maybe he prefers the fellowship of women to that of God. Anyway, I'm sorry, don't mind me. He's old enough to take care of himself. Like he said, he left the shop yesterday and never came back.
Jesus Christ. And you didn't care to call him at least?
Oh, baby, he said he can take care of himself. Don't worry, wherever he went to, when he's done, he will come back home. Anyway, let's talk about better things than Ben. You see, better things like, let's say, you and I for a start.
I do not understand.
Listen, baby. There are several things we can do together. Like have fun, enjoy ourselves.
Excuse me. You're Ben's brother.
So what if I'm Ben's brother? Listen, I'm talking about us here. Listen, I have enough to take care of you and your financial needs. Just trust me. Baby, come back here. I'm talking about some serious issues here. Listen, baby. A girl as beautiful as you are shouldn't be wasting away just like that. And I know this your Bible you're carrying here, and that your dry and lousy pastor cannot give you or satisfy your sexual and financial need. I can, baby. You're pretending, isn't it? You are pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Come on. I know my brother Ben must have told you that I'm a bad son. And you're a woman. You know, you want to come and find out how bad I can be, right?
And who is this?
Oh, baby, that's my brother's girlfriend. She came to find out if the guy is around. I'm just wishing her goodbye.
Goodbye indeed.
Oh, baby, I never knew you were awake. Anyway, come.
Excuse me.
Are you hungry? Oh, baby, don't be jealous. Come to daddy. Don't be jealous, okay? Come.
He tried to rape me.
What?
If the girl he had inside his house hadn't come out, who knows what would have happened?
I told you. I warned you not to come to the house, but you wouldn't listen.
Oh, you didn't tell me he was like that.
I told you, but you chose what you wanted to hear. Huh? Nothing in skirts passes Ima. No. I just hope it is not a curse someone has laid on him.
Have you seen him?
No. I was just entering town when I received your call, so I came straight. Anyway, I will be going to the shop from here.
I don't know what you want to do, but your brother needs help.
That's exactly why I had to dash down to the village. Papa said I should tell him to come and see him. If Papa cannot straighten him out, I bet you no one else can.
Does he not know all kinds of diseases are in town? He can catch something that can kill him.
The physical death is not the problem. Ima is dying spiritually. The business is not even moving as it used to. Everything is gradually coming to a standstill. And Ima does not realize it is because of the kind of life he's living.
Call him and talk to him now.
How many times? Huh? How many times? Oh God. I'm tired.
Yeah. 2 hot ones, man. Yeah, hot legs. They are the correct ones, man. You know, those campus girls can do anything for a few change. Man, I miss it. I would have been there. This mistake that I call a brother disappeared since yesterday and hasn't come back. So, I can't leave the shop because nobody will take care of it. What? Close my shop? Oh boy. No, oh, you want my business to fold up? Okay, it's your plans, eh? Hey, the idiot is here. Yes, wait for me. Just keep 2 hot ones. I'll be there shortly. Okay. And that's in the next 30 minutes? Yeah. Alright, yeah, we'll be right. Yes? Okay, where are you coming from?
I went to the village. Papa said he wants to see you.
You went to the village and you never considered it important to tell me before going.
You were not interested in my telling you anything.
What does he want to see me for?
He did not tell me. Maybe when you get there, you will find out for yourself.
You went and reported me. Answer me. You went and reported me to supervising it?
Maybe he will be the one to talk sense into your head, since you've refused to listen to anyone.
Let me tell you something. Your cup is gradually getting full, and it will soon overflow. Then you'll see my real colors. Bet me. That trouble you're looking for, you'll soon find.
It is only a coward that will be afraid of what you will do. I will always endeavor to tell you the truth, brother. I just pray that you begin to listen before it's too late. Yesterday, a girl came to the house to look for me, and you almost raped her. You almost raped her, brother. Don't you think you're operating under a curse? What if she was my fiancée? What if she was your own blood?
Hello? Are you there now? Yeah, how many are they? 2. Hot one. Man, I'm right there, man. I'm right behind you.
You know you've not told me your name.
Pay me my money.
Excuse me?
I said, pay me my money, or else I'll call the neighborhood to come and see us.
My friend, has something gone wrong with your head?
Eh? Okay, let's see whether there's something wrong. Give me my money. Give me my money, oh!
Excuse me, you are embarrassing me. I am not owing you any money. And if you don't leave my shirt right now, I'll arrest you.
Arrest you? Arrest you? Oh, you think I'm new in this town, eh? You think I'm new? You must pay me that money today. After using me, after sleeping with me last night, you refuse to pay up. Pay me my money, oh!
My brother, boss, please help me out.
What is the problem?
Listen, I picked this lady from Maryland. Yeah? She said she was going my way, and I decided to help out.
Young girl.
Shut up your mouth. If you ever put your mouth in this matter, eh? If you ever intervene in this matter, both of you will join hands together and pay me that money. Pay me my money, oh!
Listen, I am not owing you.
If you do not have any money to carry a shower, why did you come to me then? Why did you pick me? Give me my money. Shut up! You don't know what you're saying. Shut up! Pay me!
Listen, I am not owing you. Can't you understand?
Useless man. Pay me that money, oh!
Listen, just leave me alone. I am not owing you.
I said, pay me my money! Pay me my money!
So this is what this little monkey came here to tell you people, and you just believed him without asking questions, Papa?
Did he do wrong by coming to tell us? He is concerned about his brother, and we share his concern.
What does Ben know about life? Does he know how I opened that shop? Or does he know how I made the money that he's so protective about? All Bernard knows is to run his mouth on people anywhere he goes. Let me finish what I'm doing. He will just leave my house.
Emmanuel! You will not throw your brother out from the house because he has talked about the bad things you are doing. You will not.
Mama, what bad things? What bad things have I done? Eh? Am I the only young man in Nigeria who has 1 or 2 girlfriends? Or how am I supposed to look for a wife if I don't look for girlfriends first? Or should I carry Bible, clutch it like Bernard, roam the street like a castrated monkey?
Look, we are not against your having girlfriends. What we are against is spending all your money on women of easy virtue. Have you read the book of Proverbs?
Papa, I am not interested in reading any book of Proverbs or whatever you call it, Papa. I know what I am doing. I have my life to live, so let me live it. I know exactly what I am doing.
I hope so, because if all your brother says is true, my friend, you had better be careful.
Christian. He calls himself a Christian. Christian, my foot. What does he know about Christianity? All he knows how to do is to gossip about people. Was Jesus a gossip when he came to the world? Was he? He will just come here, tell you all sorts of lies, and you just believe him without asking questions. Yes, I have a girlfriend, and so what? Is it a bad thing? Is it a crime to look for girlfriends or to have one? Didn't you have yours? Did you know, Mama, didn't you look for boyfriends while you were growing up? How did you people meet each other? Come here to tell me.
Bernard! 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 So what you did was to go to the village to spread all kinds of lies and rumors about me, isn't it?
Brother, what lies and rumors?
What did you tell Papa and Mama? Huh?
I did not tell them what they wouldn't have eventually heard. I told them how you were wasting your money and your life in pursuit of things that will eventually kill you.
Shut up! Shut up out there! How dare you! Now listen to me. That you and my brother does not mean anything to me. The next time you go about telling all kinds of lies and rumor about me, I will deal with you in such a way that you will always remember. Have I made myself clear? Nonsense.
God knows that I did not tell any lies about you. I told them how you were wasting your life and your money. But I guess the truth hurts. Brother, let me tell you, no matter what you do to me, no matter how many times you tear my face, I will keep telling you the truth. Because I'm your brother. If I don't tell you the truth, no one else will.
From now onwards, all the money made in that shop should be given to me at the end of the day. You will no longer take them to the bank. I will do that. Do you understand me? Do you hear me?
Whatever you say. After all, it's your money.
And watch your mouth. You mistake of the maker. Tilt.
Hey, Babu. Just get us a bottle each, okay? Ask that girl over there what she wants to take. Tell her that I said she should take something stronger than that sugar bottle that she's taking right now, okay? Something like 1759, okay? Put it on my bill. It looks like you like the girl. Just take a good look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Listen, guys, forget that she's in a bar all alone sitting. This is the kind of girl that you do some serious things with.
Wow. Depends on which side of serious you're thinking about.
Whatever side, boy. Look at that babe. She's serious. Bro, time to score. Hi, girl. I must say that you're the most beautiful woman in this neighborhood tonight. And I happen to think that you're safe. And being in company of you will be the most exciting.
Thanks for the drink.
Don't mention it. It is in my character. Can I sit with you?
Oh, my seat is empty, so I don't see what's stopping you.
Yo, I like it. Baby, I found out that you're this kind of girl that knows exactly what you want. Then I'll go straight to the point. Can I take you out? Cheers. Shall we?
Now?
Exactly. Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah. Easy, slowly. Hey guys, I'll see you guys later. Yeah.
Yes, who is it? Who is that?
Open this door. Faster than I kept it inside the Walkman. Open the door. Did you hear when I was banging on the door? No nonsense. Will you just get out and let somebody pass?
Brother, can I see you?
Sweetheart. Third door on your left down the corridor. Just enter the room. Everything I need is inside the room. Bath and wait for me. Carry. Apple. Yes, what is it? What can I do for you?
Brother, where did you pick up that girl from?
What kind of stupid question is that? Are you crazy?
God, I know her. She's a lot of trouble. Brother.
Hangover. Come on. Come on, darling.
God. Oh.
Take it.
So that. How did you know I would need it?
There are so many things I know. Like I know you will need something very hot in your stomach this morning. So I made breakfast for you. It's on the dining table.
What? So that you have already made breakfast?
Yes, I had some money with me. And I went out to go and buy some things for tea. I've already prepared the breakfast. You can go and eat your own. I'll call your brother to come and eat.
So that. Thank you.
Don't mention, okay? And a word of advice. You should not be drinking too much because it's not good for your body and it's not good for your pockets.
Yes, mother.
I'll call your brother.
Right.
And I say, Father Lord, this is the day that you have made, and I will rejoice and be glad in it. Thank you, Father Lord. Thank you for I know that today will be a day of joy. Bless you. In the name of Jesus. Thank you.
Good morning.
What do you want?
I just wanted to tell you that breakfast is ready. So you can join your brother at the dining table. Honey, you people do not have any food in this house. Maybe you should give me some money to go to the market and buy something. I'll cook it before going.
Sweetheart, you are amazing. This is the first time I'm bringing a girl into this house and she decides to take over the entire house.
Come on, I'm not taking over the house. I'm only doing what a good girl from a good home should do. My mother trained me well.
I'm impressed. Yeah, Well, this is 5,000 naira. I just wanted to buy something on the way to the shop. But anyhow, you can use it. I know it will be okay to buy whatever foodstuffs you want to buy.
Yes.
I want to see you this evening. Can you make it?
Sure.
Oh, baby.
Come.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Last night was wonderful.
Have a lovely day.
You too.
Bye.
Yeah, close the door.
Brother,
Yeah.
you do mean to tell me that you will leave the house with her?
Is the house running away?
You don't know who she is. You just picked her up last night. I know her. I have seen her before. And I don't think she's the kind of girl you leave your house with.
My friend, will you shut up there? Just shut your mouth. What's wrong with you? How do you know the kind of girls that I should leave my house for? How do you know? Did you see her this morning? Why didn't you tell her? Okay, I should call her so that you can tell her. Be careful. Just be careful.
I'm tired. Let me go to bed.
Then, I'll join you later. Let me finish the movie, okay?
Okay. Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Good night.
Can I talk to you?
Yeah, what is it?
Brother, this is a week now since this girl started staying here. What do you think you're doing?
What kind of nonsense wisdom is that?
I am asking because, like I told you, I know her. Okay? And I do not like the way this relationship is developing.
How do you know her? And how is the relationship developing?
She is fooling you into making you think that she is a good girl. She is not. The first time I saw her, she was holding up a man for sleeping with her and not paying her money.
One more word out of this your stupid mouth, I will break your head.
Are you crazy?
What kind of a person are you? Why are you so malicious?
Since this girl entered this house, everything has just changed for good. Do you enter that kitchen to cook these days? She cooks your food, wash your dishes. Do you wash your clothes these days? You don't. And that is what I am saying, brother. That is what I am saying. She has a hidden agenda. That's why she's doing all those things. She wants you to believe that she is good. And when you have finally succumbed to her charms, she will deal with you.
Your heart is dark and you have an evil imagination. Why is it that you don't see anything good in anybody?
That church that you attend, do they not teach you how to see something good in human beings? This is not a question of church, brother. This is a question of what I know.
That is the problem.
You don't know anything.
Now listen, let me warn you for the last time. I know your mouth runs faster than 404. But the next time you open your mouth to insult Chioma, I will deal with you. I will never take a candy with you.
Honestly, I do not know what else to do. My brother suddenly appears blind. And she seems to have taken over his senses. I do not know the word to use, but she's nothing more than a street girl. And Ima does not want to listen to the voice of reason.
Have you talked to him?
He threatened that the next time I say anything concerning the girl, he will break my head. Can you imagine?
Women. She must have done some terrible things to him in the bedroom.
Well, if she's a professional like I suspect she is, then that is exactly what has happened. She goes around the whole house playing the good girl. See, what I'm afraid of is what lies in the future if Ima continues this way.
Maybe you should leave him alone. You cannot run his life for him. After all, he's your elder brother, and he has the right to live his life the way he wants to live it.
Even when he's obviously living it wrongly.
Oh, life is a matter of choices. In the Garden of Eden, God gave Adam and Eve the right to choose between good and evil.
And they chose evil.
And that does not negate the fact that it's still their choice.
I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. Come, let's start arranging the seats. Pastor will soon be here.
Listen, guys, listen. You can find the right woman anywhere. God did not say that it is only in the church that you can find one. You understand? Okay. Let me tell you guys. Since I met that girl, and since I took that girl to my house, my home has never been the same. It's as if we have known ourselves for the past 20 years. The girl is just too good.
Nobody's arguing that far with you. What I'm saying is that a girl you pick in a bar is nothing other than a bar girl.
Yeah, that is the mentality I find offensive. That you picked a girl from a bar. Does it make you anything better than a bar boy?
My friend, we're in Africa. Here, women did not get up, go to bar, sit down and start to drink on their own.
What was she drinking that day? A bottle of soft. Until they bought her the alcohol.
Yes.
Now look at it this way. Any man who walked into this bar that day could have bought her the drink and taken her home. And she will be doing exactly what she's doing right now in your house, in the man's house.
Oh.
So, who is to say she will not turn around tomorrow and go into, and walk into another man's house and arms? I find myself lucky enough to have bought her the drink in the first place. So, thank God I am the first person to have gotten her.
Next thing we know, wedding invitation will start to fly all over the place.
One by one.
Emmanuel Obachuku marries Choma Eba girl.
Yeah, that is your business. All I know is that. Huh? Listen, no, honestly. We are in the year 2005. Okay, we should be liberated from our thinking, from our mentality. Okay, you find the girl in a school or in a bank, okay? Is it there that you will not see loose girls? I beg, guys, I beg.
Girl!
Bernard, why are you back so early?
I want to ask you a few questions.
What questions?
Where do you work?
Oh. I work in the Ministry of Education. Why do you ask?
You work in the ministry. And you have not been to work for the past 3 days. Don't you think you're running the risk of being sacked?
Oh, Bernard, don't worry, I can handle myself.
I see. What do you think you are doing?
Excuse me? I don't understand.
I asked you a question. And you understand me perfectly. What are you doing in this house?
Wait, Bernard. If what you have come back this afternoon to do is to look for my trouble, then I promise you I'll give you a whole lot of it. Just please leave me alone and get back to that miserable shop. I'm not the kind of girl that you can mess around with.
I also want to tell you that I know what your game is. And you won't be allowed to play it in this house. Yes. You're trying to con my brother into believing that you're a good girl. I know you very well. You remember the day you were holding a man in a Mercedes-Benz car and demanding that he pays you for sleeping with you. Oh, you see? I was the guy he appealed to for help. So you see, the last thing I would do is to allow you or the likes of you to come into this house and stay. No way. It can't happen. This is a Christian home. And that's how it remains.
Well, 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 my boy. It's either the likes of me go from this house or the likes of you go. Yes. I have come to stay for the long term. So if you do not like it, you can go and jump into a very big lagoon and rest your tired bones. As for your brother, he belongs to me, body, soul, and spirit. And there is nothing, I mean, there is nothing you or anyone else can do about it. Now, can I kindly go back to my drinking? You care to join me?
To me, what happened?
It's your brother.
Ben. Yes, what did he do to you?
He came home this afternoon and started insulting me. He called me all sorts of names. He said I'm trying to lure you into marriage and called me a street girl.
What?
Only God knows that I like him just like my brother. I did nothing to him. I don't know why he's treating me like this.
Ben called you a street girl? I think this nonsense has come to a head and it has got to stop. Ben, I will deal with you today. This is nonsense. Ben!
Upon my life.
What did you do to Choma? I said, what did you do to Choma?
I did not do anything to her.
She said that you came back this afternoon. You insulted her and called her a street girl.
I did not call her a street girl. She used her own mouth to call herself that. And I don't think she's wrong.
Do you know I can kill you right now? Do you know that? Do you know that I can kill you right now? You have no right to insult my woman. Who gave you the audacity? Since you refuse to open your eyes, maybe I should open them for you. We were not brought up this way. We were not brought up to be fools. You call me a fool? You open this thing that you call him out. You call me a fool? You eat my food, drink my water. You still have the nerve to insult me in my own house.
Brother, leave me alone. Oh, I did not call you a fool. But
shut up. Oh God. Now listen. Oh, it seems that you have grown wings. I am going to cut them down to size for you. And if you know what is good for you, better start packing everything that you have in this house, because you are leaving my house this minute. I cannot tolerate the insolence. It's getting too much. Rubbish. Listen, if I decide to sleep with a trash can,
You do not have any right to open this thing that you call a mouth to insult her. Neither do you have. And get out of my house. It is all over between you and I. Listen, I'm giving you 5 minutes. How many? 5 minutes. If not, I will kill you with my bare hands. Nonsense.
Because of me. Maybe I should just pack my things and go.
You're not going anywhere.
No,
You're staying back. Listen, if someone has to leave this house, it's that idiot that calls himself Ben, who thinks that he has become God, that he can control people's affairs. Can you imagine the nonsense? Who gave him the audacity to talk to you that way?
He was only trying to protect your interest. Please don't throw him out. He's your only brother. If you throw him out, where do you expect him to go?
He can go to hell because if he remains here, I am going to kill him.
No, you will not. Allow me to talk to him. He only thinks I'm a bad girl. Maybe if I talk to him, he will understand, please.
Imagine the nerve.
Sweetheart, calm down, okay? Anger does not solve anything.
You mean your brother did this to you because of a woman? Eh?
He threw me out of the house and threatened that he will personally kill me if I say anything about the girl again. Mama, that girl is a street girl. I'll keep saying it because I have seen her before. And I know what I saw the first time I ran into her. Mama, that's the same girl that brother has taken into his house.
Is she still there?
She was there when I left this morning.
Papa Bernard. Papa Bernard. I don't know what you are doing, but for me, I am going to the city today. No city harlot will take over my son's brain and I will sit quietly. I am going to city. Haven't you heard me?
Sweetheart, I have to drop you off this morning. See, this one that Ben did not sleep here. I'm sure that he must have gone to the village to report me. I have a feeling that whatever it is he has gone to tell them, my mother or my father will come from the village with him. Okay? So, I don't want them to come here and meet you. It won't be a good idea because I wouldn't want anybody insulting you, okay?
Okay.
Good. What will happen is that I have some money here. You take this. Yeah, let's just share it. You take this. Buy yourself something, okay? Call me in the evening. Let me know how the situation is. But if nothing happens, I'll just tell you to come back and spend the night.
Oh, I would love that. Thank you. Sweetheart, there's something.
Yeah, what is it?
I don't know how to tell you this, but... Sweetheart, if I don't tell you this, there is nobody else I can tell.
Come on, sweetheart. What is it?
My mother sent a message from the village. She says she's sick. Unfortunately, I don't have any money with me to take her to hospital.
How much is it?
Honey, it's a lot of money. A lot of money.
How much is it?
It's 10,000 naira.
10,000 is a lot of money. Come on, small money. But what happened is that I don't have cash here, okay? What will happen, you stop over at the shop, okay? So whatever it is that I make, you take, okay?
You mean you'll give me the money?
Oh, why not?
Thank you. All right, you know what I would do now? I'll get to the shower, have my bath, and I'll get dressed. Thank you.
All right.
So when the goods go enter?
The next 2 days, I'll just call my boss to ship it down.
2 days. I hope you know will be like the last time we spent so many weeks.
Customer, why are you talking like this?
Hey, man.
I mean, you know me again.
I know you. You know, I no go like make I take action where you no go like.
With the quarrel?
No, nah, because of the last time now. The first time it takes so many weeks.
Cool down, Jared. Nothing there happen.
Okay.
No problem, no problem.
Count your money now.
No problem. Yeah, you don't go play me while you now.
So, thank you, huh?
Thank you, thank you. I'm sure you're coming from the village.
Yes. And I came back with Mama. She's at home now. And she said I should come and call you to come home right now. She wants to see you.
You came with Mama?
Yes.
So, you are no longer comfortable going to report me. You now have to go and bring them. Eh? When a dog wants to die, it no longer perceives the smell of shit. Go back home, tell Mama that I cannot leave my shop to come and see her now. When I close for the day, I will come home, then we'll discuss. Hmm?
You're back? Oh, sweetheart. Oh, baby. I have to run along to go and see my mother on time. Really?
How much do you say the money is?
10,000 now.
10,000.
Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you, baby. Thanks a million times. I have to run now. Tell your mother I'll come and see her later in the day. Thank you. I'll see ya.
Emmanuel, I have seen what you did to your brother. So I said, let me come and ask you, why do you have to kill your brother just because he spoke up against a girl you brought into the house? Why?
Mama, he said that I did that to him because of a woman.
Look at his face.
Mama, I beat up Bernard because the insolence was getting too much. Mama, can you imagine? Bernard does not realize that I'm his elder brother. He talks to me at will as if we are mates. Mama, can you imagine I brought in a girl into this house? Bernard went and insulted her.
I did not insult anybody.
Okay. What do you call telling someone that she's a street girl? What do you call that?
Bernard, you did call her a street girl?
Mama, I did not call her a street girl. But I have seen her behaving like one before.
Mama, did you hear that? Have you just heard that? When I had girlfriends here, the whole world went up in smoke. Now that I want to settle down, nobody wants me to do that.
Eh? You've decided to do what?
Settle down, Mama.
Are you thinking of getting married?
That's exactly what I've just said, Mama. And Choma is the girl that I want to marry because any man that has his eyes open will want to marry her. And my eyes are open. I have seen a wife in her. But gossip like this one here that calls himself my brother will never see anything good in anybody. As long as you are not from that his useless church, you are the devil's incarnate.
Well, If what you want is to get married, the first thing you have done is to come home and tell your father so that we can ask our own questions and make our own investigations, not to fight with your brother. Is it good?
Now you, what are you sitting there doing? Don't you know that Mama is hungry? Will you enter the kitchen now and prepare food? Or do you want me to go there and cook food for you as usual? Okay, you're looking at me. Oh yeah, slap me now. You are grown, slap me. Will you get out of this place?
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my daughter.
My name is Chioma, Emma's wife-to-be. He told me you were here and that you'll be going back in the evening. So I took permission from my office to come and see you.
You are the one causing trouble between him and his brother, eh?
Mama. Mama, it was just a slight misunderstanding. Anyway, Bernard was right. You know, I had no right to sleep in this house. But it's just that I went out with Emma, and it was very late. Even though I insisted on going home, but he refused. He said should anything happen to me, that he will be held responsible. So I had to stay over. But I told my people that I won't be coming home. Called them.
Oh, did you?
Yes. Okay. But I noticed that Emma and Bernard never agree on anything.
My daughter. They've always been like that since childhood.
Don't worry. Everything will be all right.
Sure.
Yes. I brought some food for you. You know they are still bachelors, and I'm sure the last food that I cooked for them must have finished. I had no time to come and make a pot of soup for them. My job is too demanding. Let me take you to the kitchen. Mama, how is Papa?
Oh, he's fine.
I was telling Emma the other day to be going home regularly to see him. Yes, if I still had my parents in the village, I'll be going home to see them. But men are different from us.
They are. With these two ones, I've seen it. Come, let's go to the kitchen and tell them more. Nani, I think Bernard is wrong this time. I think Emmanuel has found himself a good girl.
You cannot tell overnight who is a good girl or who is not. That you have seen the girl once does not mean that our son has seen a girl to marry. Is she not the same girl that Bernard saw under not too good circumstances? Eh?
Who knows what Bernard saw that day? It might not even be the same person. This girl works in the ministry. And she took time off from work to come and see me.
That's right. That's what she told, isn't it?
That's what she told.
So, that's her word against your own. Anyway, Emmanuel has not come here to tell us that he has seen a girl he would want to marry. And until that happens, I will stick with the position of sit down and look. I know Bernard, my son. He is not flippant with his tongue. His Christian convictions run deep. He sees things that his brother cannot see. That is the truth.
If it is how you see it, that is your own business.
Darling, what did your mother think?
I think she's impressed. We have scaled the first hurdle.
First hurdle? What do you mean by that?
I will go to the village in the next 3 weeks so that I will officially tell them that I have found the woman that I want to marry.
Are you asking me to marry you?
So that I am not asking you to marry me. Rather, I'm telling you.
Oh my God! Thank you, mommy. Thank you.
And I think you should start making preparations to inform your people about me so that we'll know what next step to take.
I love that. I love you, honey.
See that? That's why I've asked you to marry me.
And I'll marry you several times. I'll marry you over and over and over and over again.
Better more, baby. Papa, Mama has seen the girl. And I know she's a very good girl from a very good home, well brought up. And I have also asked her to marry me. So I just came to let you know so that I will know what to do from there.
You've seen a woman you want to marry?
Yes, Papa.
Where is your brother?
Well, I left him to take care of the shop.
I hope the girl is not the same one that your brother came back here to say so many bad things about.
Papa, you see, people have their own opinion about the next person. I do not know why Bernard does not like Choma. Well, that is his own opinion. I've asked her to marry me, and I will be the one that will live in the same house with her, not Bernard, Papa.
You have spoken well. Our people say that it is not one man who marries a woman. We have our own questions to ask, but even before we start to do that, you have to come back here with your brother. You will listen to what he has to say about the girl. And after he has spoken, we will all agree before you start making arrangements to marry the girl.
Papa, sorry, who is Bernard for me to wait for him to come back and ascertain whether the girl that I want to marry is good or bad? Who is he? Well, Papa, I did not come here to join issues with my little brother, Bernard, over the girl that I want to marry. If he does not like her, well, his business. Please.
I've heard you. But you must do as I say if you recognize that I am still your father. Is that clear?
Okay.
Dogomba, I said let me call you here so that you will join me in hearing what my daughter has brought back home with her. You are her father's only brother. It will be right for you to be here.
Adai, what have you to say to us?
I came to tell Mama that somebody asked my hand in marriage, and I want him to come and see you people.
Thank God that no matter where the termite flies to, the wind will eventually blow it back to the anthill where it came from. If you had not brought us such a good news, I would not have been here. I would not have been sitting here with you and listening to you. Choma, this is 3 years since last your mother set eyes on you. This woman here has been staying alone in the village, struggling to live. And you have been busy roaming the streets of whichever city you had gone to, pick a husband and enjoy yourself.
Gomba, if you think I've been enjoying myself, then you must be mistaken. I know what I've gone through all these years. If a person cannot carry herself, then she cannot carry another person. But now that I've found the backbone, at least I can carry them.
You have always found a way to defend yourself. But you have not behaved like the daughter of the man whom we all know that fathered you. If your father had been alive, you would not have run off the way you did and abandoned your mother. Left to me, when the people that want to marry you come, I will tell them that you are an irresponsible child.
Hey, Deogomba, Mama, Deogomba, don't do this to me, eh? This is what I've been looking for all these years. Please don't spoil it for me now. If I had stayed back in the village, maybe we would have died of hunger. Or maybe our situation would have been worse than it is now. But now that I've found a husband, please don't spoil things for me. Deogomba, please forgive me. Mama, please.
Chioma, get up. When did they say they are coming?
They've not said anything yet. But I said I should come and inform you people on time.
Okay.
You have done well. But whenever they are ready to come, please let us know so that we can arrange everything for them.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, Deogomba. Mama, thank you.
Thank God.
I do not want any argument from you. Neither do I want you to answer me. What I want to tell you is that I told Chioma to marry me. And that is why I went to the village to see Mama and Papa. And they have also said that both of us should come back to the village. And now this is what I want to tell you and what I want you to do. If we get to the village, I do not want you to say anything that will make them not to support this marriage. Because if you do, I will come after you like wildfire. I will forget that we are brothers. I hope I've made myself clear.
He actually threatened me. He said that if I say anything to jeopardize his chances of marrying her, then I'll find myself in big trouble. He must say that he will forget we are brothers and come after me personally.
What do you intend to do now?
Nothing. In fact, any way he wants it, that's the way it should be. Okay? I will no longer try stopping him from killing himself. The only duty I have now is to pray for him. And that's what I've been doing.
That is what we can do. I'm sure God will make things beautiful in his own time. Besides, he says his ways are not our ways. Maybe she'll be the one to make something good out of his life.
What? You must be joking. Those two, if they continue lying and deceiving themselves, they will only end up in the grave. God knows that I have not told any lies. What I have said was what I saw, Papa. And I'm not mistaken in any way. She had obviously slept with the man and was holding him to pay her. Now, Papa, tell me, what sort of a woman would trade sex for money? Huh?
Brother, God will punish you. God will help me punish you. I don't blame you. I do not blame you. It is Papa that I blame for bringing me here to listen to this rubbish that you're saying.
Brother, the truth hurts. You can shout all you want. You can even threaten me from here to eternity. It won't change anything. That girl will put you in a lot of trouble. That girl will put you in trouble.
Hey!
You! Better you! I will show you.
Calm down.
You!
Fighting your brother will not solve anything.
This one, my brother, does he know the meaning of that word? You're the one that doesn't know the meaning of the word. If you do,
you listen to the voice of reason coming from me.
Voice of reason. If you hear the voice of reason, will you recognize it? Will you? Chioma that I'm going to spend the rest of my life with. Even if there's going to be any change, it will not come from this mistake of the maker. I have also made up my mind that he's not going anywhere back with me. I don't want to see him anywhere near my house or my shop ever again. He has to look for something that he has to do for himself.
Neither am I willing to go back with you. My God places open doors. Doors that no man can shut. You cannot shut them, no matter how hard you try. I just hope you don't regret all this.
Bernard, it's okay. Don't talk to your brother.
No.
Your elder brother like that.
Papa, he has grown. Bernard, talk to me. Remember, it was my food and my money that I fed you with that made you grow up like this. Insult me.
Emmanuel.
Talk to me.
Emmanuel, if I tell you that I am convinced that you have made the right choice for a wife, I'll be deceiving you. And your brother will not be so vehemently opposed to your marriage if he did not see anything wrong with the woman. Anyway, there's nothing I can do because I have not seen the girl. So I will say that you have to bring her to this village for us to see and assess by ourselves.
No problem, Papa. I am going to bring her to this village for you to see. At least Mama has seen her. And Mama likes her so much. I will bring her for you to see her yourself.
Okay. That aside, it is now obvious that you and your wife-to-be cannot live under the same roof with your brother. So I will just say that before you get married to her, you will settle him so that he can stand on his own. Then that way, whatever you do will be by your own decision. And whatever he does will be by his own decision.
God will bless you for bringing this suggestion. If he's taking everything that I've labored for to give to him so that he'll go away, I am willing to do that. Papa, let me start. Take this, my key. Take it. Come to the city with me. I'll give you the house document. Sell. Take the money and do whatever thing you want to do with the money. So that you will live my life alone. Papa, I will not stay in the same house with somebody who does not have my best interest at heart. I will not.
I have your interest at heart. I'm your brother. I'm the only one that will tell you the truth.
Bernard, listen. Look, at times, a silent prayer is better than a shouted petition. Huh? It's not everything you say that you must have to talk.
Papa, he's going to make a mistake. I know it.
Let him make the mistake. Some people like to learn from their mistakes.
Fine, Papa. I made the first mistake. Bringing him into my house was a great mistake, and I'm ready to correct that mistake. You. Okay. We go jam. Oh, sweetheart. We have to leave very early tomorrow, so I have to come and pick you up.
Okay.
Get your things ready, get them together. You know, my parents said that we have to come to the village together. If they see you, then they'll give their consent.
Well, darling, don't worry. By the time I'm through with them, your father would wish he'd married me.
Oh, shut up.
I'm telling you.
Get out of here. Anyway, just be at your best. Okay? Is there anything that you need to put together that you've not done?
Yes, I have.
Or you still
No,
need something?
no, I'm okay.
Take
Bye.
care. Yeah.
All right.
Hey,
Mama.
My daughter.
Mama.
Welcome.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Mama, how are you?
Welcome.
Yes.
How was your journey?
Smooth. Where's Papa?
Let me get the things in the boot.
Sweetheart, help me get the things in the boot, yeah.
What is it?
Papa Lolo.
Papa,
how are you?
Hey, I'm fine. Are you?
Very well.
You're welcome.
You should have had her to bring her. Okay, Mama. Papa, good afternoon.
Let me get the time. Let me get it.
No, Mama, don't.
So, Papa, how is your waist?
My daughter.
Papa, good morning.
Good morning, my daughter. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Papa, I did.
Oh, good.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. What about Emmanuel?
He's still sleeping. You know he was tired since yesterday. Papa, where are you off to this morning?
To the mission for prayer, morning prayer.
Hey, Papa, and you did not tell me. I would have loved to go with you.
Don't worry. There is another tomorrow, eh?
Okay, no problem, Papa. Pray for us, so.
I will, eh? I will.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning, my daughter.
How are you, Mama?
Fine. I hope you slept well.
Yes, Mama, I did. Where are you going to?
Let me get drinking water to cook with. Emmanuel will be hungry since he didn't eat last night.
When I'm here, Mama, you should have told me.
But you are sweeping now.
I can always come back and finish up with the sweeping now. Or is the compound running away? Mama, give me this gallon. Tell me where you people fetch the water. Let me go and fetch it for you.
Okay, thank you. It's just down the road there. There is a man that opened the borehole for us so that we can take water from there instead of every morning walking down to the stream.
All right, Mama, don't worry, eh? Even if it means going to the stream, I'll do it for you. Let me keep this broom here. And don't touch it, so if I come back, I'll finish up with the sweeping. I'm coming. Thank you, my daughter.
The only land we have cleared is the one at Mbago. All the young men who have enough strength to till the ground have all gone to the city. Honestly, farming in this village is now a luxury.
Yeah, Papa, is it not the same everywhere? It's the same thing. Hey, Papa, you've not... Yeah, thank you. Papa, I would just want to ask you if... Sweetheart. Well done, eh?
Papa, you can eat now.
Thank you, my daughter.
Hey, Papa, you've not really told me about what you think of her.
My son, what the eye sees is different from what the mind knows. On the surface, she's a good girl, but anybody can play the good girl.
No, Papa. She's a good girl. She's not playing the good girl. That's how she has always been. Papa, right from the first day I met her, she has always been like that. No pretense.
Okay. Let's watch and see.
Papa, no problems. Eh? Trust me. Trust your son.
Right, careful. Yes. have seen the girl. I still have my doubts. But if she will continue to behave the way she behaved here, you will live in peace with her. But if she will live like those city girls, you are on your own. You are old enough to know what is good for you.
Papa, I know what is good for me. She is good for me. But I see, when people were complaining about my not being responsible, that I look at other women and all that. You see, since Chioma came into my life, everything changed for the better. Papa, you see, when the right woman enters your life, you don't have any time to look for another.
You're right there. You're right. So, when do you think we can go and see her people?
Let's say in the next 3 weeks, so that I can sort out myself and arrange myself properly, and sort things out with Ben also and settle him like he rightly said.
That is very important. Whatever you do, your brother must not be left out in the cold.
I want to give you something. Mama, make sure you don't show it to Papa because I didn't give him anything. It's just take it and just we'll be coming to see you people. Hey, put it.
Thank you,
Mama. Tight in your wrapper.
Okay, Papa. Okay.
Mama.
Papa.
Hey.
Papa. Okay, take care of yourself. All right, thank you, Papa.
What is this for? 500,000 naira. Papa and I agreed that before I get married, I should settle you so that you will look for something to do for yourself. That's exactly what I've just done. Use that money to make something reasonable out of your life. I am only giving you that money because of the love of God. If not, you would not have received a single kobo from me. As you claim that you're a wise man, I want you to make a success in your life with that money. Look for something meaningful to do with your life. Make sure you don't fail. Because if you fail, do not come back to me for another, because I will not listen to you.
Brother, I can only thank you for this. But let me tell you that I am taking this money because it is my right. If I don't take it, you will not be blessed. My taking this does not change my position about what I think concerning your wife. As for my making a success out of whatever I'll do with this money, I was the one who made a success of your business. I will make a success of whatever it is that I put my hand in.
Well, your mouth can run as fast as it has always been. I have 3 weeks to bring in Chioma into this house. That automatically means that you have 3 weeks to look for an alternative accommodation for yourself and to find something to do for yourself. Because you will never be welcomed in that shop again. Never.
Thank you. May God continue to bless and prosper you.
He will.
I also wish you all the luck that you need in your marriage. Thank you.
Bernard. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you think. I told you are fighting a lost battle. Nobody stands in my way and survives it. Make judicious use of the money given to you. Because when I finally get into this house, which I've already gotten, seeing the way things are as your brother's wife, no shishi, no kobo will come into your hands anymore. I will make sure that if you ever make mistake of stepping into the wrong side of poverty, it will grind your nose into the dust forever. Have a lovely life, my young man. Oh, I love this.
Sweetheart, it's raining outside. I hope you brought in the clothes you washed this afternoon.
Yes, I did.
Oh my God.
Honey.
Yes.
I've been thinking.
Yeah, about what?
Remember you said I don't do things on time.
Yeah, what things?
Like cooking the food, washing the clothes, and every other thing.
What about it?
That's why I said I've been thinking. I'd like to go to the village and get my younger sister, Loma. She's very hardworking. And God knows that I need all the help I can get from her. You're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say?
It's either you agree with me or you don't.
Even if I disagree with you, does it make any difference? You seem to have always had your way anyway.
In that case, I am still going down to the village to go and get my sister. And you know, I cannot go just like that. I'll need some money to go with me for Mama, because I'm going there to take her help away.
In that case, you have to wait till weekend so that I can raise some money for you to travel with. You see, I don't have anybody that stays in the shop. Okay, the little money that I have there right now, if I pull it out, there won't be any money left to do business.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that you're not giving me the money?
I haven't said that. All I said was that you should wait till weekend.
Fine, but I'm still going down to the village to get her. And I'll need some money to go with me. After all, it's your responsibility.
Okay, madam, I hear you.
So, Mama, that is why I have come.
You have spoken well, my daughter. I have only one question to ask you. If you take your sister away to the city, who will take care of your poor mother in this village?
Mama. Huh? Mama, you don't need anybody to take care of you. All you need to take care of yourself is money. And that we have now. If Ulama remains here in the village, she might end up marrying a poor village farmer. Or even die of hunger. But if I take her to the city, at least she'll be able to attend school and become something in life. Eh? And apart from that, you don't need to look for anything to take care of her again, because she'll be taken care of. Okay, Mama. This is 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira?
Yes. I'm sure it will take care of everything you need for the next 2 months. And I promise you, such money will be coming into your hands on regular basis.
I have never seen this kind of money in one place before.
Now you are talking. This is what we are saying here.
50,000 naira. Where did you get all this money?
My husband said I should give it to you.
But promise me we'll take care of your sister. Because I have heard stories about what the city does to people.
Mama, Uloma is not only your daughter. She's also my sister. Of course I'll take care of her. Mama, don't worry. She'll be taken care of. I promise you that.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Look, what about my sister?
She's in the room sleeping. Olama.
Yes, Uncle.
I want you to, yes. I want you to just boil water for me so that I can take my bath.
Yes, Uncle.
Don't wake your sister up. I'm coming, eh?
I cannot take a step without you because I know that with you nothing is impossible, Lord. I also know that if you be for me, no man, nothing can be against me. Father, you said in your word that you're my strength and my refuge, my God in whom I trust. Lord Jesus, Father, I am setting out on my own in life. I have no ideas or plans. But you said, Lord, that I should trust in you and lean not on my own understanding. That in all that I do, that I should acknowledge you and you would direct my path. My ways are in your hands, Lord. Take charge and control of my life. I receive divine ideas and impactation from you. All things are working together for my good. I am a success in all that you would direct me to do. Thank you, Father Lord. In the name of Jesus, my Savior, I pray. Amen.
Hold on, listen to me. I want you to open your eyes very wide in this house. You and I did not come into this house to look at bridges. Rather, we have come in here to be taken care of. And that you must understand from the beginning. Do you hear me?
Yes. Stop trusting me.
This is 50,000 naira. I'll be giving you such money from time to time. And I want you to go and open an account with it. You know your sister cannot open any account because my husband might monitor it. But you can. So I want you to use this money and open the account. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Take it. And make sure you didn't tell anybody about this.
Sister.
Anybody home?
Put it aside.
Oh.
Honey.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hello, how are you?
You are back.
Yes.
Good evening.
And who is this?
Well, I had to make an arrangement for someone that would take care of my shop. So I asked Obumneke, he recommended him. His name is Gabriel. Gabriel, that's my wife, and this is sister. Hold on. Good evening.
But honey, you should have told me.
Sweetheart, it was when you traveled. Everything happened so fast. There was no way I would have waited for you. I'm sorry, okay?
Anyway, it's okay. There's no problem. I know what to do. Well, Loma, take him to the guest room. Yeah, I'm fine. It's just that you didn't tell me about this food.
Traveled so. Yeah, who is it? Yeah, who is it?
It's me, Ulama.
Ulama. Yeah, what is it coming? Yeah, what is it?
I wanted to ask what you and my sister will take for breakfast.
What do you have?
We have, but I can make rice.
Oh, okay. Okay, when you're done, come and call us, eh?
Yes, Uncle.
So that what will happen is that Oloma will pass through the shop, okay? Pick up the money that you asked for on her way to the market. You stay home today and clean up your things. You start coming to the shop on Monday. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Oloma,
Yes, Uncle.
you will pass through the shop. Hmm? Come in time, because you know I don't have all day to waste. Eh?
Yes, Uncle.
You understand?
Yes, Uncle.
So that I'll give you the money. I shall be going.
Okay.
Hey, what are you still standing there doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. So you even have the guts to answer me back. You're answering me. Well, you expect me to serve your food and also pass it to you, eh? You're now the new Oga. I've suffered. Anyway, if you're really, really hungry, you better get out and find something to eat, okay? And get this thing as you're coming behind. Nonsense.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Uncle.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Please, sit here. Huh? Hola, hola. How come you're looking this beautiful? Huh? Do you know you are even more beautiful than your sister?
Thank you, Uncle.
This is the money your sister said that I should give to you to go to the market with. And this, I'm giving you this from my church mind. Huh? Take it. Huh? Listen, whatever happens, do not let your sister know that I gave you this kind of money. She shouldn't know at all. Huh? Do you understand? See, from time to time, I'll be giving you something like this. I see you understand with me. See, I have a feeling that you are this kind of girl that understands several things. You and I will enjoy your stay in my house. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Do you understand? Listen, I will give you more. And you benefit a lot from it. Do you understand? Okay, before you go, give me a kiss.
I'm late.
Give me a kiss now, before the customer will enter. Oh yeah, now somebody's coming, somebody. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Hello.
Gabriel, After washing those clothes, make sure you wash these ones. And remember, that's not all that you're going to do today.
Yes, Auntie.
Ah, Mama.
It's Neva.
Hey, Mama.
Welcome.
Yeah, Mama, how are you?
Fine. Hey, my daughter. Welcome. How is the city?
Fine.
Hey, Mama, where is Papa?
He's inside the house. What brings you?
You. We came to see you.
I hope no problem.
Oh, Mama, it's the only when there's a problem that we'll have to come and see you. There's no problem. Sweetheart, please come and help me so that I can bring things out, okay?
Go and bring it out yourself now. Leave me alone. I'm even tired, Joe.
Mama, she's tired. Let me get it first.
My son, you people have been married for over a year. What is happening?
Mama, I don't understand you. What is happening as how?
Don't pretend that you don't know what I'm talking about. You've been married for over a year and 6 months, and your wife's stomach is as flat as Maji's bottom.
Mama, it takes time for a woman to get pregnant.
It takes 5 minutes. Or do you want to tell me that you and your wife are not interested in giving us grandchildren until we die?
Mama, why are you talking like this now? Is it not God that gives children? Whenever he gives us, we'll take it.
That is an excuse of a man who has no plans of fathering any child. I gave birth to you as a young woman. If there is anything wrong with your wife, you should let us know so that we'll do something about it.
Mama, nothing is wrong with my wife. Nothing.
Then tell her to get pregnant. We know all these city girls. I even heard that some of them don't even want to have children so that they will not lose their sheep.
Mama, this is too ridiculous now.
Well, time is not on any woman's side as far as bearing children is concerned. The sooner you people get going, the better for all of us. Anyway, let's talk about something happier. Your brother was here last weekend. He said that his business is moving on very well. From the way things are going, he will soon be moving into a bigger house in a few months' time. He's even thinking of getting married. In short, he brought the girl that he wants to marry to us. A very nice girl. Let me remember. Her name is Chikodra.
Good for him. Mama, I want to go and sleep.
Is that all you say?
I was talking to Mama this evening.
About what?
About our making a family.
I thought we had already started making family.
Don't pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. She complained bitterly about our not being able to have kids yet.
Maybe you should go and tell her to come and make one for us.
My friend, don't be flippant. If you are not worried, I am beginning to get worried myself. It's over a year and a half since we got married. We have nothing to show for it.
You see? You see what I'm saying? Eh? If anybody is not happy that we've not had any issue yet, let that person come and make one for us. What is wrong with them? Why can't people mind their own business?
I hope you know you're talking about my mother.
I can talk about your mother anyhow I like. What is wrong with her? After all, has my own mother been complaining that we don't have any issue yet? Eh? Who is she? Oh, if this is why you brought me back to this village, to come and tell me all this rubbish, then I'll go and pack my things and start heading back this night. Nonsense! Who is she?
What is wrong with this?
Joma, you haven't gone to sleep. Where is Papa?
He's already asleep. Yeah, I want to finish this egusi so that I can have something to cook for you people tomorrow before you go.
You discussed my not getting pregnant with my husband, right?
Yes, this evening.
And let me warn you, let this be the first and last time you will discuss my state with my husband. Do you hear me? I will get pregnant when I want to get pregnant. And if he's not complaining about it, I don't think anybody should. Otherwise, what you are looking for is my trouble. And it will not be pleasant if you find it.
Chioma, are those words coming out from your mouth?
Where else would it come from? Tell me. My getting pregnant and raising a family is strictly between my husband, I and my girl, and nobody else.
Chioma, will you tell that to your mother?
I will talk to anybody who refuses to mind her own business anyhow I like. Nonsense. Is this the way you have chosen to go?
If you will sit by and allow your wife to come into my living room and insult me the way she did last night, then I'm very sorry for you. Both of you are headed down the path of destruction.
Mama, I understand how you feel. I apologize on her behalf. Okay? But you see how women take these issues. They are very, very sensitive.
Then do something about it. Do something about it. Or find out if she has used her city life to wash away all the children in her womb.
Mama Emmanuel, it has not come to that. Huh? The marriage is still a young one. Let us allow God to do what He wants to do with them.
You were snoring last night when that girl came into my living room and insulted me. I have a feeling that what man I came here to say is true. As for you, Emmanuel, there is trouble ahead for you.
Mama, are you wishing me trouble?
I'm not. But I'm asking you to open your eyes. Open your eyes, Emmanuel.
My son, be careful. And talk to your wife. Her behavior does not go with the behavior of the girl you brought here, the one you said you were going to marry. The girl we saw here. Is that the same girl? Huh?
Emmanuel, let's hurry up and leave this village now. It's getting late.
Are you alright? Will you shut your mouth there? Are you going to drive the car for me? Papa, I'm sorry. Let me go.
Don't worry.
Better take your time. I mean, keep you quiet. Better take your time. Take your time. I think the best thing for us to do is just to go to the hospital to find out if something is wrong, especially with you.
Emma, if you know there is something wrong with you, you tell me. As for me, there is nothing wrong with me, and I'm not going.
There's nothing wrong with you. Then why have you not gotten pregnant since we've been trying? Why?
I'm only a receptacle. You are the one firing blank, so you should start asking yourself questions.
What just came out of your mouth?
If you just lay a finger on me, Emma, I will show you who I am. If people are calling themselves men, you will count yourself as one, huh? If you don't know how to get a woman pregnant, better start learning it now. Learn how to get a woman pregnant and not standing here barking like a sick dog. Useless man.
useless man.
Pass then.
What are your plans for today?
I'll go to the salon around 2 o'clock and back. That's all.
That's exactly the time I'll be going to the bank because I need some money. There's no money left on me.
Does it mean you're not giving me the money again?
How much do you say the money is?
I need 3,000 naira.
3,000 what? Which hairdresser will use such amount of money to dress hair?
Okay. Is it when I start walking around the whole street like a mad woman that you will know that I need that kind of money?
Listen, baby, I'm not saying that you don't need money to look good. All I'm saying is that we should slow down on our spending. We spend too much money these days. Okay, these days I've just been going to the bank, withdrawing money and all that. Money is not coming into the business. The business is almost at a standstill.
You are the head of this family. And it is your duty to make sure that money comes into this house. If you don't carry out that duty well, don't even expect me to give you a shoulder to cry on when the time comes.
Are you ready?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Katie. How are you? Is your master around?
No, he went to the bank and he said he was going to see one or two people before he comes back. But in case he doesn't come back, I should close up when the time comes.
Really? Gabby?
Madam.
Sit down.
Madam?
You heard me. Sit down.
No. Madam, my Oga will not be happy to find me sitting here with you if he comes back.
Gabriel, shut up and sit down. Gabriel, is everybody in your house who's handsome? Relax. I don't eat humans. I knew that your master would not be here. He told me in the morning. So I did not come to see him. I came to see you. Gabriel, on a more serious note, I know that there are some things you might need that your master will not be willing to give to you. So So, if you are good to me, I'll be good to you. Take it. Take this money. Buy whatever you need. I'll give you everything you can think of. Take it. That's my boy. Gabriel, you are handsome. You are strong. And I believe you know what you can use a woman to do. I need somebody like you. Hmm? Listen to me very carefully. If your master hears that I came here today, or that I gave you this money, I will personally kill you. Have I made myself clear? Gabriel, have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. And remember what I told you, what I've just said. If you are good to me, I'll be good to you.
So well. I've never seen a woman that dances this well in a long while.
Thank you, sir.
God, and you're looking so beautiful in this your outfit. Listen, you don't have to call me sir, okay? But when your sister is around, fine, you can call me that. That won't be a problem. But in a situation like this, simply call me my name, Emma. Everything will be easier, okay?
Yes, sir. Sorry. Yes, Uncle. Emma.
That's better. Now, come. Don't you like it? You'll be surprised how well I am. Come on, don't run away from me. Maybe you make my blood boil.
Uncle, this is not right now.
Yes, I know. But you see, sometimes when you do those things people think are not right, the kind of pleasure derived from them, you'll be amazed. Come on. Come here.
Uncle, I'm not coming. My sister will find out.
Who will tell her? You? Okay. All right. Here. Take this. I went to the bank this morning to get this, especially for you. You see, this is the kind of things you'll be getting if you cooperate with me And I'm sure your sister cannot give you something like this regularly. And listen, take it. And I'm sure you will enjoy it. I'm a gentleman. Come on. Take it. You will enjoy it.
Uncle, I don't want it though.
Come on, have it.
Uncle, I don't want.
Listen, you are going to dance for me. Yes.
A hidden agenda. What she's trying to do is get in. When she finally gets in, she'll start to show her true colors. Ooh. At first, she came in like an angel, pretending to be good, yeah. But she's the devil in disguise, oh no. They never understood. She was trying to get in. Now that she's in, she'll begin to show her real colors. Oh, oh. She's a pretender, a pretender. She's not what she seems. She has an agenda, agenda, a hidden agenda. Yeah. What she's trying to do is get in. Oh yeah. When she finally gets in, she'll start to show her true color.
I'm finished. Shut up. Lie down and be the man. I said I think it's going to be too late. It's too late, please.
What of your sister? Has she gone to bed?
Why do you ask?
Nothing. What about Gabriel?
They've all gone to bed. And I had to stay up to wait for you while you roam around all the bars in the town, drinking your useless life to death.
Yeah, woman, watch that thing you call him out.
Maybe you should come and shut it down yourself.
Has not occurred to you that I picked you up from a bar? It was from a bar that I made you my wife. The wife of this man you call a useless man.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you, Emma. When other men are busy, looking for a way to raise your family, all you're capable of doing is drinking this your useless life to death. Tell me, how are we going to make babies? And your useless mother will open her useless mouth and be talking rubbish.
I don't blame you. You are insulting my mother. Look at you. Has it not occurred to you that you might have eaten up all the babies in that your womb? That you have flushed them down the toilet?
Emma, very soon we will see. Very soon. Excuse me.
Nonsense. Apo.
Sweetheart.
Yeah.
Are you taking Gabriel to the shop?
That's why?
Uloma is not feeling very well, And I was thinking if you might leave Gabriel for me so that he will go to the market and buy me some things, When he comes back, he can now come to the shop and stay with you. There is no food left in this house.
Is there ever any day you have food left in this house?
Okay. If you like, I will sit back and do nothing. And when you come back, you can put Naira notes in the pot and cook it as food.
Okay, no problems. If you want Gabriel to go and get something for you in the market, I'll leave him behind. Then later he can come to the shop. Yes, he said Uloma is not feeling too fine. Why don't I take her to the hospital?
Don't worry, I'll take her to the hospital myself. Yes, I'll do it myself, don't worry.
Well, if you insist, no problems.
Gabriel,
Ma'am?
call Uloma for me.
Yes.
Sister, you called me.
Yes. Take this list. I want you to go to the market and buy me something. When I mean market, I mean main market, not the one at the junction. Because those butchers there buy meat from main market.
Yes, Auntie.
Now you can go. And hurry up.
Yes, Auntie.
And you, have you had your bath?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait here. Now I have you all to myself. Come on. Come on, it's good. If you really want to charge up, you need this. And I need you all charged up.
Come on.
No, I don't.
Taste it.
I don't drink, ma. But if there's nothing I'll be doing for you here, I think it's a good idea if I go back to the shop.
Wow. You sound all so matured. And I think I want you to show me how matured you really are. Don't worry. You have so many things to help me to do today. Come on. Come. What's the matter with you?
I'm sorry, ma. I've told you this is not right.
Oh. It's not right. This is not right. Now listen, my friend. I will tell you what is right and what is wrong. I dismissed everybody in this house so that I can have a quality time with you. Now you comply, or I'll tell your Oga that you tried to rape me. I think he will believe me because I am his wife. Now test this. Come on. Come on. Test it. Come on. That's my good boy. That's my good, sweet boy. Raise your hands up. Come on. Now.
boy is looking for my trouble in this house. Okay. We'll see. It's now over.
Olo, what were you doing out there? Huh?
I had come back and you people left the front door open.
And does that mean you should go sneaking around the house without knocking on the doors?
Sister, with all the noise you people were making, I didn't need to knock or open any door to know what was going on inside.
Hold on. If my husband finds out about this, you are finished. I said you are finished.
But sister, how could you? For crying out loud, even if you wanted somebody to sleep with, did he have to be Gabriel of all people?
Shut up!
That uncouth, untrained, ill-mannered, smelling animal?
I said shut up! Uloma. Uloma, you are a woman just like me. One day you will understand all this. And stop looking at me with that your self-righteous attitude. I've not done anything that I should be crucified for. Please, I don't want our mother to hear about this. Please. Uloma.
Yes, sister.
Uloma, take these clothes. I bought them for you.
Thank you very much, sister.
You're welcome.
Uloma, maybe you should try them on and see how they fit.
Oh, no, I don't think there's any problem. They'll have size. Take them to the room.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention.
Thank you.
Honey, I have to go to the salon now. Did you say Gabriel is at the shop?
Oh, yes.
Emma, you should know that you did not bring Gabriel into this house to hang around the shop and eat my food. At least he should be coming home earlier than this time so that he can help me out with the things in the house.
Things like what, if I may ask?
Things like work.
Okay, then. Whatever I say. There's no problem.
Okay, I have to go now. I'll be back.
longer is left in this house now. And before someone enters this house, the person will have to knock. Okay? Listen. I give your sister money purposely to buy these things for you so that you continue to look as beautiful as you have always been. But you see, I have given you everything a man needs to give to a woman. And I'm promising to give more. But you see, you have refused to give me something in return.
Something like what?
I know you understand. Something like this. Listen, you will enjoy it. It's not going to be painful, okay?
What do you say is wrong with her?
Doctor, honestly, I don't know. But she's been throwing up ever since, and she has been running temperature. The funniest thing is that she has never been sick before. And she's not sick. She's not sick at all.
I am happy to announce to you that she's 3 months pregnant. It still baffles me that she's not aware.
Doctor, what did you just say now?
If I am a doctor, she is 3 months pregnant.
You don't mean it? God! Should have... At least Mama can put her mouth in her handbag finally. God. You are the sweetest woman any man can ever have.
You are the sweetest husband.
I told you that your husband is man enough. I just want to say thank you for the most precious gift a woman can give to a man. It's for you. That's it. I have paid for the instructor to start teaching you from tomorrow.
What? Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you, honey, you're a darling, thank you. Oh, thank you.
What's wrong with that?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Oh, Mama. Oh, Mama, what is wrong with you? Oh, Mama, come out, come out, come out. What is that? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, Lama? Eh? Go inside.
Madam, it seems I am the bearer of good news for your family this period. She's also 3 months pregnant. Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem. There's no problem, doctor.
Did your sister get pregnant outside her husband's house? All you want to do is to bring disgrace and shame into this house. I'm telling you, it will not work. Whoever it is that is responsible, you will carry this your pregnancy to him. Look, listen, because I am not taking you to the village. Neither am I aborting this baby. You must give yourself, bastard. Yes. You must give yourself bastard in your womb. Useless girl. Anyway, who is responsible? I said, who is responsible? Who is responsible? I know who is responsible. Hey, how am I going to explain this to Mama? Does this criminal look like somebody that will tell the truth? Look at her eyes. I thought I was living with a human being in the house. I didn't know that Satan was living with me. Devil. I didn't know that Satan was living with me. I was unless the man will not leave, I will kill you with my bare hands. I will squash you. Okay. Leave me alone. Let me do this. Oh, Jesus. Can you imagine? Just leave me alone to deal with that idiot. She brought disgrace. Oh my God. You know you're heavy. Just take it easy. Listen, see that girl? I am going to deal with her. Can you imagine her getting pregnant in my own house? She will tell me who's responsible today. Oh, Lama. She will tell me. Oh, Lama. Hey. Ouch. How? Oh, Lama, you disgraced me. You disgraced me, oh, Lama. I will kill you in this house. I will kill you in this house, oh, Lama, and I must stand up.
I had to hit you so that I put up a face, so that your sister will not suspect, okay? I'm sorry.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Now see what you've put me into. Don't touch me.
Don't shout so loud. It's us, it's not only you. You understand? Please, baby, just, I'm sorry. Okay? Do not let your sister know about this. Do you understand? I will take care of everything. Baby, you know me, you're my baby. Don't let her know that I'm the one. Do you understand? I will give you anything that you want. Don't worry. I'll meet a doctor friend of mine. You understand? He will know what to do. I will remove it. There won't be any problem.
I'm not removing anything. I'm having my baby.
You have rich people. That will be a problem, oh. You're not having any baby, oh. Man. Listen. Okay. If you decide to have the baby, that means this house is going to be hell for you, your sister, your mother, your parents in the village, and every member of the family that is benefiting from mine. You understand? So what will happen is that, cool down. When you cool down, you understand, we'll remove this thing, nothing will happen. Understand the situation, and then we'll continue the way we've been. You understand? This time around, we'll be using condom. You understand? Okay, now, shout. Shout, keep on shouting. You see what I'm doing to you? Nonsense. Rubbish. Useless girl. Nonsense! You want to bring disgrace into this house. It will not work. Sudan, I told you that I would deal with her, and I have dealt with her. I'm sure she must have learned something from it. But you see, Sudan, because of your condition, you have to take things easy. We don't really, have to kill ourselves because of this thing. This kind of thing, it happens in every family. So all you have to do is take it easy. We don't have to kill her simply because she got pregnant.
In short, Ima, the worst part is that I don't even know what your business is in this matter. I don't know. Actually, it's my sister that has gotten pregnant, and I will handle it the way I want. Just stay out of it.
Oh, she got pregnant in my house, and she's still living in my house. She's my sister-in-law. So I have every right, every responsibility to meddle in this matter.
Sweetheart, listen. What we have to do, you understand? I am suggesting, let's just, call our family doctor, take her there so that the man will know exactly what to do so that she will continue with her life and education. So that it won't drag her back. That's my own suggestion.
Okay. I will find out who is responsible. And I will deal with who that person. I will deal with them.
Sweetheart, I understand how you feel about this thing. But, hey, find out. Chili.
There is no Emmanuel today to help you. No Emmanuel to save you. Now tell me, who got you pregnant? I say, who got you pregnant? Better talk.
I think that this is wickedness, so this is not good though.
Tell me, who got you pregnant? You've not seen wickedness yet. Listen, that fine face there saw and explore you. I must destroy with this iron. Tell me who got you pregnant now. Eh? Start telling me who got you pregnant. Talk. It is you. It is you.
It is uncle. It is uncle.
Olama, so you've been sleeping with my husband.
I told him I didn't want to do it. But he said if I don't agree, he'll deal with me. Auntie, I'm sorry.
And you agreed. Come here, I'll kill you today. So this is what you have been doing, eh? When you come every afternoon to sleep with you and you, my sister, I will kill you. Now you kill her now. Would you remove your stinking hands off me? You, come back.
What is going on here? What is it?
Ima, I'm ashamed of you. You are nothing but a piece of big shit. So you cannot even put that your 2-inch penis inside your trousers.
What?
It is to put it into everything that you see.
What the hell are you talking about?
You will know what I'm talking about very soon. Who got my sister pregnant?
What?
Start telling me, oh. Ima, start talking, or else one of us will be buried today.
Have you taken leave of your senses? Are you crazy?
Okay, we shall see. Ima, so this is what you'll be doing. This is what you'll be doing, Ima. You will lose that thing that makes you think you're a today.
Drop that knife over.
I said you will not.
Don't you investigate this in proper.
Sister, better drop it. Don't touch him, oh. Don't just touch him. You have been calling me all kinds of names since morning, and I've been keeping quiet. You have been insulting me ever since, and I've not said any word to you. Are you any better? Haven't you been sleeping with Gabriel?
Eh?
Yes, Uncle. I caught both of them sleeping in Gabriel's room.
No, Uncle, it's not true. It's not true.
Shut up! What is not true? I'll punish you.
What is wrong with you? Huh? Well, is my brother in? Well. Ah, brother, good afternoon.
What brings you?
Brother. Oh, Chioma. Good afternoon. Oh, yeah. Brother. What is going on in this house?
Did anybody tell you anything is going on?
Well, brother, I came to inform you that I will be going to see Chikode's people on Saturday. So I thought about it and I said, let me come and tell you to get ready. Because I would want you to come with me. I'll be traveling to the village to inform Papa and Mama as well.
I've heard you.
Choma, wait. What is going on in this house? Something is happening in this house. Something is... Uloma, if you do not talk to anyone, you will not get help. And nobody will know exactly how to help you. Talk to me. Okay?
I don't know what to do.
To do about what? Huh?
I'm pregnant.
Oh my God. Jeez. Mama, how could you? Why? Hi. What happened? Eh?
It was Uncle. I told him I didn't want to do it.
Wait a minute. You mean you're pregnant for Ima? Father Lord. Hey!
My sister is also pregnant for Gabriel.
Gabriel? Who is Gabriel?
uncle's boy at the shop.
God help us. Hey!
I fought her, Papa. I fought her, but she was too strong. She kept on pressing me. Finally, she told me that if I refused to sleep with her, that she would tell my Oga that I tried to rape her. And I knew if she did that, I would be finished. My Oga would not only throw me out of the house, but imprison me. So I agreed. Now my Oga has thrown me out of the house.
Threw you out?
Yes, Papa. Hi. But Papa, don't worry. I came back with lots of money. A lot of money. It's in my bag inside the room.
Here?
Yes.
Oh. Chineke, thanks, sir.
Papa, one more thing, Papa.
What is it?
She's pregnant. And I know that the baby is for me. Papa, I want us to go to the city and ask for the child. With this, if we bring back the child, we'll make lots of money and more profits.
You've done well, my son.
Papa? Thank you, Papa. Thank
you. We all know what we have heard. If I say that my ears are not full, I will be telling a lie. If I say that this is not an abomination, I will also be telling a lie because it is more than an abomination. Yes. If we are to appease the land, we would not even know where to begin. We cannot say, let us return your daughters and ask for our bride price back. Which of the two daughters are we returning? Nor is it possible for us to continue with our legally married wife, considering everything that has happened. In fact, we do not know what to do.
Hi.
Whatever you do, you people should make sure that nothing happens to my son's child. Because that's why we are here. Oh. And whenever you finish your discussion, make sure that we are going with our wife. Because according to our tradition, any woman that is pregnant for any of our children stays with us until she is delivered of her baby.
Bam.
So Chioma is going with us.
Yeah. My in-laws, if I should still call you that, whatever that happened had happened. There is nothing we can do that can change anything. The only thing we know is that the child inside Oloma belongs to Emmanuel. The one that Chioma is carrying may not be his, and at the same time may be his. The only thing we can do is to wait until she delivers before we know who owns the baby. All I will say is that shame has been rubbed on our faces by these children who do not want to be human beings. If I lay a curse on them, it will follow them for the rest of their lives. Chioma and Oloma will remain with their mother until they deliver.
Hey!
As for you, he who wants to be a father and a husband must take responsibilities. If you say you have any claim on our daughter and the child, you must equally take responsibility to support her until she delivers.
Is it not money you are asking for? Don't you have the money?
She's a pretender. She's not what she seems. She has an agenda. start to show her true colors. At first, she came in like an angel, pretending to be good, yeah. But she's the devil in disguise. Oh no, they never understood. She was trying to get in. Now that she's in, she'll begin to show her real colors. She's a pretender, She's not what she seems. She has an agenda, a hidden agenda. Yeah. What she's trying to do is get in. Yeah. When she finally gets in, she'll start to show her true colors. Oh yeah. Now she has spread the evil all around. Everything is going down. Now they're all playing games. What a shame. Now they're all the same.